Now, I know this might not be the most exciting topic in the world, but it's actually really important to understand, especially if you're thinking about applying for a loan or credit card. So, let's get started. What is a credit check? A credit check is basically a report that gives lenders a snapshot of your creditworthiness. It shows them things like your payment history, how much debt you have, and whether or not you've missed any payments. There are two main types of credit checks, soft and hard. What is a soft credit check? A soft credit check is a type of credit check that doesn't affect your credit score. It's usually done when you're pre-approved for a loan or credit card, or when you check your own credit score through a service like Borrowell. Soft credit checks are also used by companies to market their products to you. For example, if you've recently been searching for car insurance online, you might start seeing ads for car insurance companies. This is because those companies have done a soft credit check on you and know that you're in the market for car insurance. What is a hard credit check? A hard credit check is a type of credit check that can affect your credit score. It's usually done when you apply for a loan or credit card. Hard credit checks are also used by landlords when you're applying to rent an apartment. And they can be used by employers when you're applying for a job. How do soft and hard credit checks affect your credit score? Soft credit checks don't affect your credit score at all. So, you don't have to worry about your credit score being damaged if you get a soft credit check. Hard credit checks, on the other hand, can have a negative impact on your credit score. Each time you get a hard credit check, it gets reported to the credit bureaus. And the more hard credit checks you have on your report, the lower your credit score is likely to be. How can you minimize the impact of hard credit checks? There are a few things you can do to minimize the impact of hard credit checks on your credit score. Only apply for credit when you really need it. Shop around for the best rates before you apply for a loan or credit card. Check your credit score before you apply for credit. This will give you a good idea of what your chances are of being approved. What are the benefits of using Borrowell? Borrowell is a great resource for learning more about your credit score and how to improve it. They offer a free credit report and credit score tracking service. They also have a number of educational resources that can help you learn more about personal finance. So, there you have it. The difference between a soft and hard credit check. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.